And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their tablet and phone wall mount. So inside of this box is a little user's guide for you, and screws to mount it, and your actual tablet mount. No, this is not magnetic, by the way. And main part that goes on the wall. This is actually metal, so you easily screw this off like so, slide this onto here, pop this onto here, and then once you get your angle right, you just tighten this in place, and then it's mounted, and you're able to easily put your tablet there. I'm gonna put this right behind my overhead rig here and show you what it looks like right here. So step number one is find your location, mount this part, then slide that on. Then this will just pop right into place like so. Then you just tighten this on once you find the correct angle you want, and your iPad will look like this. And there you have it. That's what your iPad would look like mounted on this. Now, me personally, I am using this as a second monitor. So my overhead rig here is where I put my iPhone. It's gonna link to the iPad, so that way I can use the iPad to see exactly what I'm showing on camera. Should make my videos a little better and even easier to make. So that'll essentially do it for this iPad mount. You could use it like I am, or use it in your office, your kitchen, wherever you may need an iPad mounted. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.